What's going on, everybody? So first off, I want to start by saying I'm going to make a video, hopefully at some point today, on how to double or even triple your results that you are getting now, whether I'm doing it or whether you're doing it yourself or whether another company is doing it. And you're going to be doing something that everybody teaches you not to do, but you shouldn't be surprised by that because everybody goes by what everybody's doing, but that's not the way to do things. Also, Dum Dum is saying that I am harassing him and his staff. So the thing with that is, and hopefully y'all understand, I don't hate the guy. I hate that he scams people and that he thinks it's okay. Like, he literally thinks what he's doing is okay. And it's not okay. It's not okay at all. And again, he will go down for it eventually. And I won't stop until he does go down. Now, I did get out of hand. Somebody reached out to me and said that one of his former employees, Tammy, wanted to do an interview and I could find him on Upstart. So I got on Upstart, searched for him, and found him. He acted like he wanted to do the interview, and then obviously he set me up. So it was actually a setup from the get-go. So the guy that reached out to me and told me this, I'm just going to assume Andre set all this up. And if he did, I don't care. I got mad, I yelled, I screamed, I cussed. I want nothing more, honestly, deep down, than to get my two hands on this kid and just show him he's not shit, because he's not. He talks all tough. He's in another country. He's stuck. He can't go anywhere. And he won't address that I say that because he knows it's true. His visa has expired. If he comes back to any of the states, he's wanted in damn near every state for scamming people. So I hope y'all see through the BS that he posts. I'm not harassing him or his staff. I'm trying to do whatever it takes to get this piece of crap shut down. End of story. If y'all have any questions or concerns, leave them in the comments. Hope y'all have a great day.